Hi guys, welcome back. I have an unboxing video of two hauls that I did. One is bigger than the other, but I'm just going to combine it into a single video. And then if you have not seen already, I did haul these two new Viseart Petit Pro palettes. This is Solstice and this is Midsommer. I also created looks for each one of them. So if the video is not posted for Midsommer, it should be anyway. But for these two videos, I'll put links above so that you can hop on over to watch if you would like. So what I have here is a order from Chantecaille. Now I haven't even opened up and dug in here. I just opened this to save some time. I ordered this during her, I guess, birthday event and got 30% off of my entire order. And there were just a whole bunch of items from Chantecaille that I've wanted to try for a long time now. And if you guys have been watching, I do have her Future Skin Foundation, which I love. And I also regularly use her talc-free loose powder to set my makeup. And that's what I've been wearing ever since I got it back in, I think, March or April. So I love those two things. And I've just heard so many good things about the rest of the beauty line, the makeup, that I thought this would be just a great opportunity to try different things from the brand. Every year on Sylvie Chantecaille's birthday, who is the founder of the brand, you get 30% off your entire order, and that's anything and everything. It's so exciting. So I did take advantage and I got all the things that I've been wanting to try. So why don't we open this box together? Lovely, this postcard. And this is Sylvie Chantecaille. On the back of the card is, "Thank you for your purchase. I created Chantecaille over 20 years ago with the intention of crafting healthy, effective natural products using the purest botanicals available. Today we are a family business known for our incredible products and our commitment to philanthropy. It brings me so much joy to shine a light on the conservationists working to protect the many animals on our earth that are in danger. Thank you for helping us protect them. Our remarkable products are crafted thoughtfully and lovingly for you. I hope you enjoy them." Now, I was not planning to read out this postcard, but I love animals. And the reason why I got into Chantecaille is not because of, the support that they have for conservation and just, keeping endangered species alive and thriving on this planet, but knowing or loving their products and then knowing this just kind of like goes hand in hand for me. So might be a loyalist forever now because of these two things: great products, great quality, good ingredients, and then it's like beauty with a mission. So that's wonderful. Yeah, I think that's wonderful. And then let's get to the rest of the items in the box. It's wrapped up pretty tightly, which is great. First we have the Cheek shade Emotion. So got this case here, and I got the B because this overspray is just so pretty. And I know it'll go away as you keep using it, but that little bit of shimmer mixed in with this is gonna be just so gorgeous, and I think it's worth it. It's okay. We use it, we move on. Well, I don't even know if I would be able to finish this actually. There's, I saw something on Instagram today from a, fellow beauty blogger, YouTuber, Instagrammer, maybe not YouTuber, but fellow beauty enthusiast. And she posted a meme that talked about how, I'm gonna go buy more makeup when I finish what I have. And then below that said no one ever. I don't think any of us who are, any of you guys watching this or myself, when you're into makeup, you wait till you finish to buy something else. No, we're gonna end up having more of these blushes before this is done. That's my feeling. Next thing I have here is the Radiance Chic Cheek and Highlight Duo in Rose. So that is the highlighter and blush duo, if I can get this out of the box. And I believe the theme of this changes every year. We have the Manta Ray this year, and I think every summer there's a new kind of theme or collection that is released. It's beautiful. I'm gonna swatch this. Oh. How does that look? Oh yeah. You know what, let's add some highlight right now. Just really impromptu mini demo. So no highlight with highlight. It looks beautiful. Wow. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. Can't wait to try it with the blush. Then I have the Perfect Blur Finishing Powder, and I'm trying to get out of the box. It's really snug. It's just really, really snug, and it's exactly like that blush duo highlighter that I almost just tore into the box to get it out. It's really snug, and I'm sure the heat has something to do with this. I bet when it was packaged, it wasn't that snug, but you know, it's summer here and it's pretty warm. I'm sure it's expanded on its way traveling. So this is the Hummingbird collection. So there was a plastic cover, it just fell off as I opened. Yeah, I can't wait to do, as much as possible, a full face makeup video with Chantecaille products. So this will be included in that video for sure. Then we have the Real Bronze. I believe this is truly limited edition. It's in that red plastic packaging here. The shade is Sirena. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see here, the shade is Sirena. Pretty. Let's swatch this. Actually, let's put some contour right now. And this is why you don't wear earrings unless they're studs, because they really could get in the way. It's like a pet peeve of makeup artists too, when they like have to like move your accessories around. So you usually put on makeup and then put on your accessories. I could buff this out some more so we don't have a line here. But yes, we're going to have some fun. We're going to have some fun. All right, a few more items to go. I ordered 2 lip products. One is the Lip Tint Hydrating Balm. This is in Beach Rose. I've heard such good things about their tinted balm and how they're very pigmented for a balm. So I look forward to trying this. And then here is the Lip Chic, which is also part of the Hummingbird collection. Perfecting Blur Powder that we saw earlier. It looks very similar to the balm, but this is Lupine. And you're supposed to get a glossy finish from this lipstick, which is what attracted me to it. So this is Beach Rose and this is Lupine. Side by side, you can see the difference here. This has more orange in it. And then as I was checking out my order, you can pick a sample, and I chose the Ultra Sun Protection Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 45. This is a primer, and so I'm gonna try this. I've been looking for a good sunscreen or something, and I just have not found anything that makes me want to use. So if it's a primer, maybe it's even lighter than any kind of lotion. I know some viewers have suggested some Japanese brand sunscreen, and I looked into it. It seems lightweight enough and great product, but there is alcohol, and some people have commented how that could be drying, so I didn't make the leap for that reason, but we'll see. I've heard good things about this SPF primer as well. All the packaging of these Chantecaille products are just so beautiful, and I kept opening things and I didn't even stop to really look at this, but this is the Hummingbird collection, the Manta Ray, the cheek blush, bronzer with this design. So beautiful. All right, I very much look forward to when I can sit down and try all this makeup. And the other item I wanted to unbox with you guys in this video is from Surratt. You saw in my last haul video that I hauled some Surratt items. I actually went back for more. I love everything that I used from that order. In that same train of thought with Chantecaille, like now is the time to try some items because I've been looking for a while. So this is a pretty small order. I got two things here. I got the Dewdrop Foundation in the shade number 6. I am using 5 right now, and that is what I have on today. Again, on camera, it's not very noticeable, but under natural light, 5 is definitely, the undertone is too yellow, and it is supposed to have a light yellow undertone. That's actually what it's supposed to look like, but I am neutral undertone. So I wonder if I mix some yellow with pink or with rose, I think they call it rose with this brand, I might have kind of the perfect match. And if I were to get a little bit more sun, we can add in a bit more of number 6. And as summer passes, we're in fall winter time, I could do more of 5 with just a little bit of this. So we'll see how that works. So far I am loving the foundation. And I also got this. This is the Prismatique Eyes in Visual Eyes. I think that is the shade name. And the Prismatique line, it's really cool. You have a cream shadow or base that you put on, and then you top it, which you swivel it like this, the powdered shadow on top for this kind of put together finish effect. And the ads that I've seen on it, the pictures that I've seen on it, is these two products combined can give you a lot of dimension and just interesting texture to your look, but really you're just using 2 products. So we'll play with this eyeshadow too at some point. We're gonna find time. We're gonna find time to do all of this. So looking forward to that as well. It just looks so beautiful in the photos. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching along and letting me share this unboxing with you. I love Chantecaille, and I just feel so happy that I get to try more of their products. And Surratt has been a great addition to my collection. I think what I'll do is like a 5 or an 8-minute makeup challenge where I only use Surratt products. I think that'd be a fun thing to try out. See you guys in the next one. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like this video, subscribe, ring the bell to get notified every time new content is released. Take care. Bye.